I know what you're thinking.
I don't know you, but I actually don't mind talking to a stranger. By the way, you don't know anything. In fact, nobody knows anything. Even I don't know anything.
I thought you had a lot of trophies, a lot of accomplishments to prove otherwise. How do you not know anything?
I hope you know that's very creepy. Why would you even stalk me?
Listen, don't worry about that. I'm here to talk business.
Then sorry. I've had too much of work already. I just need to relax. Just leave me alone for a while.
Listen, do you even know what you're running away from?
Of course, life. Life is so bad. I've no answers. I've spent my life doing research, and there's not a single soul who can tell me the meaning of life.
Listen, I know the truth. I know the truth about everything.
Are you superhuman or something?
No, man, I'm just a man who knows the truth. I know the truth, and I choose not to ignore it because it's staring me right in the face. But you still haven't answered my first question. Will you be able to accept it?
Well, what's there in it?
Listen, if I were to tell you that you're weak, you're ordinary, because you don't know who you are, and everything you've been doing till now, all your attempts, it's just a lie. Would you believe it?
I'm a part of it, yes. I know I don't understand myself mostly. Like there's a good part and there's a bad part of me which comes out in situations.
That's good. I think that's closer to where you think you are. It's much better. But tell me one thing: which one are you right now? Are you the good or the bad?
Both, obviously.
Wrong answer. You're good. You're pure.
I can't believe that. Why would I make mistakes every time if I was so pure?
Because you were originally created pure, and by created I don't mean when you were born a couple of years back. I mean when your soul was created, you were pure. And now think about it. After years of wasting time, wasting energy, you don't even remember your true nature.
Give me proof, man.
Then tell me one thing: do you like fighting better or relaxing?
I feel powerful when I make someone get my work done with anger. But that's all temporary. Then comes the guilt, the uneasiness, the want for peace. The world wants peace. I want peace. Where do I get peace?
You are peace. Listen, don't look at me like that. You obviously are peace. You know that. For thousands of years, people have been trying to find peace in the wrong places. They go to the mountains, they meditate, they sit on the side of a river, they do drugs, they do alcohol, all sorts of things, but they've never found peace. You know why? Because peace is your original nature. It is in you. And the sooner you realize that, the better it is.
Well, then exactly where do I find peace?
Because you've forgotten who you are. And it's easy to get out of it. See, you hate this world, right? But you don't want to hate the people.
Are you like a mind reader or something?
No,
But-
listen.
Yeah, I mean, I do feel that way.
Then get out of it. I mean, you so-called intelligent people who call yourself intelligent in the world outside, you play loud music, you get irritated at people, you shout at people for no reason, and you think that you can find peace in that.
Why does all of this suddenly make sense to me?
Because you're chosen. You're special. You've been chosen by the special power to make a change. Of course, you look ordinary, you look weak like everyone else, but you've been given that special knowledge to make a difference.
What do I have to do?
Tell the world that the good times are coming, but I'm afraid there's only one way to do it.
And how? I'll do anything.
Change yourself. That's it. But but there's also more to that than you probably understood. It's not hocus pocus. You can't snap your fingers and expect a change. You have to believe, you have to have faith, and you have to have an objective. Listen, if you change, the world will change.
But tell me one thing. How will that happen exactly?
You've spent most of your life blaming yourself for the things that have gone wrong. Sometimes blaming other people, sometimes blaming even the weather. You know what? Stop that and start afresh. Start believing yourself. It's never too late to start.
That's it?
Pretty much. I mean, miracles aren't your objective. You need to be peaceful. Every second of the day, you need to be peaceful. And your role is now to live every second in the consciousness that this is a huge drama and everything that happens is a part of it. Your role is to live with the idea that everyone is a player and hence everyone is innocent. That you need to be peaceful. And that's it.